Children, very good morning. Welcome to EVS class. So, what we learned in the previous class, children? Animals living in very hot regions, cool regions, on tree, in and around the water. We learned the animals' names. Is it? Yes. So, today's class will learn a new lesson. Animal sound. So, did you know the animal sound? Can you tell me how cat will sound? Meow. Is it? Yes. How cat will sound? Meow. Okay. How dog will sound? Bow bow. Is it? Yes. How duck will sound? Quack quack. Is it? Yes. And how sheep will sound? Bah. Is it? So these animals will sound like this. So today's class also will learn a animal sound. Okay. So take out your Awareness skill book. Page number 25. Page number 25 open. Okay, see, sound of animals. So, today's class we are learning animal sound. Is it? Yes. First, you have to say the animal's name. Okay. See, which tell me this animal. What is the animal? This animal name? Horse. Is it? Yes. And this animal? Cat. And this bird name is? Duck. This animal name? Dog. And this bird name? Hen. Cock. This animal name is? Monkey. Is it? Yes. And tell me this animal name? Sheep. And which picture it is? Which animal it is? Very good. Elephant. Okay, now tell me which animal it is? Lion. Is it? Who is the king of the forest? Lion is the king of the forest. Is it? Yes, this animal is the king of the forest. Our national animal is which? Our national animal is a tiger. Is it? Yes. So, king of the forest is a lion. Okay. So, today's class we learn about these animals' sounds. Okay. So, open page number 25. Sounds of animals. Sound of animals, we learn it. How horse sound. Horse sound is neighs. Neighs. How cat will sound? Meow. How duck will sound? Quack. How dog will sound? Bark. Next. How hen will sound? Cackles. How monkey will sound? Chariots. How sheep will sound? Birds. How elephant sound? Trumpet. How lion will sound? Rose. Is it? In these animals, some animals sounds I will show you. Okay? Cat. Meow. How cat will sound? Meow. Is it? Yes. How duck will sound? Quack quack. Is it? Yes. How dog will sound? Bow bow. Is it? Yes. How hen will sound? Cuckoo. Is it? Yes. How Sheep will sound baa. Is it? Yes. So these animals I know the sounds, and some animals sound I don't know. So which animals I should know sound, how to sound? That animals you have to learn the sounds. Okay, you have to practice it. So once again we'll read the animal sound. Horse, nest, cat, meow, duck, quack, dog, bark, hen, cat, cackles, monkey, chats, sheep, beat, elephant, trumpet, lion, rose. Okay, once again, horse, sneeze, cat, meow, duck, quack, dog, bark, hen, cackles, monkey, charts, sheep, birds, elephant, trumpet, lion, rose. So these animals sound like this. Okay, these are the animal sound we learned. Okay children, so you have to read it, and which animals sound you know, you have to practice it. Okay, so these are the sound of animals. So after this, turn the page. Here children, here the practice is there. Write the names of the animals from the help box. So can you see here? Red color. In these animals names are there. So help of this box you have to write the names here. So I, names. Who will sound? You have to write the animal name here. I, quack. Which animal sound? Quack. You have to write it. I, bleed. Birds. Which animals? Birds. I, chariots. So which animal will chariots? You have to write the name. I, trumpet. So which animal? A rose. Which animal? I, cattle. So which animal? Cattle. So you have to write the names here. Okay. So children, I will show you which animal sound. I, name. So which animal? First one, what in the class? I thought you know which animal will sound. I, name. Hen, elephant, duck, sheep, monkey, horse, lion. In this animal, which animals will sound? I, name. Horse. Is it? H-O-R-S-E. Horse. So write here H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Anes, horse. Anes sound will sound animal horse. I, quack. I, quack. Which animal sound it is? Hen, elephant, duck, sheep, monkey, lion. Which animal will sound? I, quack. Duck. D-U-C-K. D-U-C-K. Write down here. Okay, very good. Next, I, beat. I, beat. So which animal it is? Hen, elephant, sheep, monkey, lion. Which animal? Sheep. Is it? Yes. S-H-E-E-P. You have to spell the spelling and you have to write it. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Next, I, chart. I, charts. So which animal? Hen, elephant, monkey, lion. Which animal? Monkey. Very good. Right. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Next, I, trumpet. So, which animal sound it is? Hen, elephant, lion. So, which animal? Trumpet, elephant. Is it? Yes, right here. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Next, I, rose. So, which animals will sound? Very good. Lion. Is it? See. L-I-O-N. Lion. Right. L-I-O-N. Lion. I, rose. Lion. Next. I, cattle. I, cattle. So, which animal sound? Hen will sound. Is it? Yes, right. H-E-N. Spell the spelling and write the word. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. So, we done in the classwork. Is it? Yes. So, homework is reading. Page number 25 open. Write up. Read. R-E-A-D. Read 5 times. T-I-M-E-S. 5 times. Homework. H-W. Okay, children. So, this is a reading. Sounds of animals. You have to practice this animal sound. Okay, children. Okay. You have to perfect these sounds. And you have to send to my WhatsApp number this sound. First you have to be practice this. And how many animal sound you knows, that much you have to record your voice and otherwise video, and you have to send to my WhatsApp number. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.